Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong haka arp kendai terik kulalengkot aiathuh bekidon Kumba spa sanpo haduh lai spa Tylli Shnong Poi Surok. Haba kren bekilat pathai Khubor hadien ke jingialang buddien ya ke jingpyntreikam ya ke Pmgsy haka Jylla Bah Prestone ulong ba ke jingdon Shnong Poi Surok kala banang kiew namar snem bun Tylli Shnong thymmai haka Jylla. Kumbalai spa Tylli Shnong Poi Surok and Pynioh na ke Pmgsy hakini snem.
As you all know, we have three Pmgsy. Number one is Pmgsy 1, Pmgsy 2 and Pmgsy 3. So my review meeting today is about the completion of the Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2 because the government of India has already set the target that we need to complete it within 31st March 2024. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that only maybe few projects which is very critical, we are still yet to reach to the target point as indicated by the ministry, but however I'm very sure within these few months left we'll be able to complete it 100% with the implementation of Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2. Then point number 2, I also reviewed about the implementation of Pmgsy 3, and Pmgsy 3 is working well, and I'm very sure again because as I said to you, the target is only for the Pmgsy 1 and 2, and Pmgsy 3 still we have space and the work is on, and some contractors has already completed and then some of them they are yet to start. So these are the issues where we now the only issue is we can't say exactly how many, because as I said to you, as per the census we do have about maybe 250 to 300 villages, but now you need to understand one thing: the villages keep increasing. After 4 years, 5 years, sometimes those villages which was treated as census villages, they come out and then have another village. So, it keep increasing day by day, where the villages, extra villages are also coming up. So, I'll not be able to tell you exactly, but what as of now, as per the census, the previous census is about 250 to 300 villages, which is still not connected.